Rushing into buying your first home without doing your homework is dangerous. As a first-time home buyer, mistakes can be seriously damaging to your finances. Let's check out some of the worst first-time home buyer mistakes so that you can discover how to avoid them when you buy a home. Undetermined affordability. Many first-time home buyers guess what they can afford. You immediately jump into viewing homes that are totally out of your price range. If you want to save time, you need to calculate your price range before you speak to a real estate agent. What's your budget? Of course, your budget is usually determined by your mortgage. How much money can you borrow? An approximate number can be discovered with a mortgage calculator. Remember, when you're working out how much you can afford, it's the monthly repayments that can put you under pressure. Don't only focus on the down payment. Limited mortgage quotes. Too many first-time home buyers simply go with the first offer they receive for a mortgage. What are the chances this is the best quote you can get? Did you go to a bank or other big box lender that spends a ton of money on advertising? They need to give you a higher rate in order to afford that advertising. You should spend time shopping around for mortgage quotes. Brokers are typically a good option here because they do the shopping for you and tend to have cheaper rates and upfront costs. They make money by saving you money. Unknown credit scores. When you apply for a mortgage, lenders will always check your credit score. If you have a poor credit score, you'll either be rejected or given an unfavorable rate. However, many first-time buyers rush to speak with mortgage lenders before they've checked this credit history. Go to Credit Karma or a similar free scoring website to see where you stand. Their scores will be different than the lenders, but they will reflect if you have good credit, decent credit, or poor credit. Overly small down payment. Many first-time buyers are so eager to get on the housing market, they sign up for a loan without a down payment. The options are slim when it comes to zero down financing, and most of what is out there are income or geographically restricted. It will also mean that your loan repayments are most likely higher due to the higher interest rates these loans carry. This could cause you to regret not waiting for a bit longer to buy a home. Down payments can come as a gift, draw on your IRA, or retirement as well. First-time buyer schemes. You're a first-time buyer and there are a number of state programs to support you. And yet, many first-time buyers don't take advantage of this. You should always inquire about whether there are any first-time home buyer options you're eligible for. You do not need to be a first-time home buyer for the following, but many first-time buyers will use one of the following loans to make their first purchase. VA loans for people who have served in the military, or FHA loans, which overlook low down payments and less than perfect credit scores. There's also USDA, but this is restricted to rural locations, not inside metropolitan cities, and has pretty tight income limits. So there you go, a look at some of the common mistakes of first-time buyers. Follow our tips to avoid the traps. From doing your homework on mortgage interest rates to saving enough money for repairs and renovations, you can learn from the errors of others. What else should you do? Well, get in touch with us to get a free quote and consultation on your mortgage loan. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.